Myntri ketenat Food and Civil Supply ke Jela ba coming one ombon hakasni tho ding ula pen pau ba updiang ya karai banwan ra ya lynti rel Ri-lum Jaintia naman habe kren mat kinong tho khubor uba ombon ula pen pau ba updiang ya kejingwan karel ba jo i kiri ki badon karel ki pajba ki yo jingmentoi shikat dai naka ulaya tho badangshen ula le Ri-lum garo ban pen her ya kalama rakhe Independence Day but hadien ula le jingo ya railway station hamen di pathar ba jo i ba ki pajba ka than ki yo ya shibun ki jingyo nong.
I have seen the state, the country, they have the railway. The people, they get a lot of benefit from it. Suppose, last time I went to Karo Hills to hoisting the flag on the Independence Day. After hoisting the flag, I went to the railway station in Myntri. I have seen the people of that area, they get a lot of profit. Because to travel from Myntri to Kwah, taxi driver, they used to ask 280 per head. The train only 30 rupees. They start from Myntri from Risu 7 o'clock, they'll turn back 7 o'clock in the evening. Small farmer, they carry maybe 1 basket, 2 basket of fruit, any production from there, they can sell to the Kwah. They get a lot of profit. Even in the essential commodities also. Suppose rice in Risu, we get 30 rupees that time. I inquired that time. In the month of August, I inquired from the shop, what is the price of this? Rice in Risu is 31 rupees. Here in Shillong is 44 rupees. That much is the difference. So, Jaintia Hills, I think a lot of people, they will get a job, maybe indirectly. Transportation, so many we have. So many resources in Jaintia, like limestone, like gold, no? The transport by truck is almost 2,000 per ton. I think if you transport by railway, maybe 500 per ton, that 1,500 will come to your pocket, no?